So, you've made it all the way to your goal, a completed showroom. You walk around and watch all the people running about preparing for the grand opening in 2 weeks. You feel a sense of excitement mixed with achievement as you start your final meeting. All the stakeholders and the project sponsor are invited to hear you tell them that the project is complete and that the scope has been finalized. You see the smiles on the managers' faces as you congratulate them on a job well done. You take them on a tour of the showroom. You see that the software engineers are testing the visualizations, the sales team are practicing their pitches, mechanics are tinkering with the cars, and the final touches are being made when suddenly Jeff, the manufacturing director, comes up to you. He tells you he has a brilliant idea to make the project an even bigger success. There's an abandoned parking lot nearby that he thinks could be turned into an area where people can test drive the cars. You turn to Jeff and tell him that's a wonderful idea. However, you are not the person he should be speaking to right now. Your project is nearly over. You had a specific scope and goal and you achieved them. He needs to initiate his own project and find a sponsor to start the initiation phase like we did. You give Jeff some helpful tips and send him in the right direction. You smile and think to yourself, it's time to start the project closure. But why? All the work is done. Why would you give yourself more work? Well, not only are you a thorough project manager who cares about their work, but there are 4 other very important reasons to go through the closure phase. 1. To obtain formal acceptance of the deliverables. 2. To communicate the project completion. 3. To reflect on the lessons learned. And 4. To celebrate the success. So let's go through this next lesson as we put a nice tidy seal on our project.